Right to repair is very important for us as an operation. Timeliness of getting seed in the ground, say, or making harvest happen is vitally important to the bottom line of the farm. Especially in dryland farming, we have one chance to get the seed in the ground at the right time when the moisture and the sun and the soil and the air temperature are all in that perfect balance to provide for bounty. And if we can't do that, then the chances of success are much lower. They have the exclusive right to the technology needed to repair data-driven electronics, sensors, that sort of thing, within tractors, seeders, combines. There's a possibility of being price gouged, of simply not being able to get the service. And that's the problem we have, primarily. But they have the exclusive right and ability to repair our equipment, and that means they can charge us whatever they want for that, and they don't have to be timely about it. It's not going to have a consequence for their business like you would find in a competitive marketplace, because we have no choice but to go to those people. But the consequence is crippling, because all of a sudden a machine which you've invested a lot of time and energy and money, that is the foundation of being able to do your work, is not functional and you've no way to fix it. Availability of service will increase, price of service will decrease. Those are really fundamentally simple aspects of supply and demand. And right to repair legislation is a really simple way to address them. Make it possible for independent repair shops and private individuals to own the technology needed to make repairs.